Check this out. 2000 Chevy Venture Van Plus LT Edition, 68,000 original miles. That's right, 68,000 original miles. This is a 2-owner with a clean Carfax. It is an 8-passenger vehicle, non-smoker. Look how clean it is. Still has the owner's manual, power sliding doors, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, power seat. Tires are new. It does have a little bit of corrosion there in the rocker. The underneath is solid and safe. Look under the doors. These are hard to find, and you won't find one in this condition with this miles anywhere. Comes with our service contract warranty, good anywhere in the country. You can purchase it at Tempest Motors. We take all forms of payments and/or trades. Everything we sell at Tempest comes with an extended service contract, good anywhere. 3 months, 3,000 miles, and you can extend that at your expense if you wish. Come take a look at this. If you're looking for a family traveler, this is it. Tempest Motors in Firestone Park. Thanks for looking.